I'm on video.
Zima gari bro, zima gari bana. Jetzt jagen so ein Löwengras. Was macht der? Warum schreiben Sie den nicht da? Ja, die müssen jetzt wahrscheinlich auseinandertreiben. Das ist ja schwierig, glaube ich. Wenn sie auseinandertreiben, dann können sie halt auch von hinten kommen. Trotzdem noch umdrehen. Wir könnten uns einfach umdrehen und gehen. Do you think they got one? They can still escape. I think now it's done. Then it's over. So now he could still escape, right? Yeah. Kind of. Yeah. Okay. It's not a big, yeah. But there was a bigger one with a...
No, that one also is a sub-adult. You see, even he's not participating. Look, he's weak, he's hungry. He's there on the far on the right.
Yeah,
now done.
And it's done.
Now it is done.
So how do they kill him? He will just be
Suffocation. You see the other one?
Yeah, the one is also...
Yes, on the mouth.
Yeah.
So they get the throat, right?
Abdomen is not hard to eat. So they, yeah, no, bottom.
Ah, yes.
So they, you still see them now. They have not yet eaten because they are hungry.
Yeah.
So we give them this one, next one. And now if they have a big meal, you know, even they're weak even to eat. You see, they have killed, but they're going to the shade to relax.
Just
Together.
get a little energy.
Now they've started. Okay. Oh, yeah, chini. Nenda mbele kidogo.
Weil eigentlich haben die jetzt so gesagt, also das ist sicherlich jetzt auch nicht einfach für den gewesen, aber das hat sicherlich schon gedauert. Das war schon noch so.
Remember where they're coming from. They will walk along this path for this meal.
Yeah. But it's not the lions that we saw before, right?
These are the same.
It's the same. Ah, I thought it's a different crowd.
So they are hungry.
Where have we seen them? Up there somewhere, right?
You can understand,
Okay. What do you think something?
Oh, jetzt fängt sie an, guck mal, jetzt essen sie.
He's a young guy who made so bravery. He was holding the buffalo on the mouth.
I think now they're eating, huh?
Location. They're praying.
Where do those two come doing? Where are those two going?
This one is not behind. Yes.
I think that one will be better.
Yeah, maybe this is an idea, yeah.
We wait and see them eating while we are having your lunch.
So all of us are eating.
Everybody's eating, yeah.
Yes.
Isso tá morrer.
Com fome. Com fome.
Please, yeah.
they have to go around the pool to get the food, right?
Yes. So they were unable to remove the intestine completely, like the whole thing. So they are bust.
So it's still kind of a lot of work for them.
Yes. But now they're almost there. You see where this guy is?
Yes,
This
yes.
guy is eating the soft meat. So poop is coming out. Kwa sawa kabisa. Naiba. Mambo sida hii. Umerambwa. Umerambwa na Suzuki. Many of them.
They did the work?
Yes, she's one. I think one of the kids is under it.
That's me. So mean. Toll.